Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Kay English Channel. I'm Kay. I'm American.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunie. I'm American.
Today, we learn easy English phrases.
Phrases help you speak faster.
Bunie, how was your day?
Good. I had coffee.
Nice. Did you sleep well?
Yes. I feel ready to study.
Great. Let's learn together. Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
And write a comment. Question: what phrase do you say every day?
Many learners know words, but they freeze.
Today, we fix that with phrases.
Stay with us. You will sound natural fast. Step 1. What is a phrase and why it helps? Short explanation plus many examples plus role play. Step 1. A phrase is a group of words. People use it as one unit.
Yes, you do not build every sentence from zero.
Phrases help you speak quickly.
And phrases help you sound natural.
Here are very common daily phrases. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem.
These are short, but they are powerful.
Some phrases are longer. I don't know. I have no idea. Let me think. Give me a second.
When you know these, you do not stop.
More phrase examples for everyday life. Right now. At the moment. A little bit. A lot. Of course. Not really.
You can use them in many situations.
Example sentences with phrases. I'm busy right now. I'm tired at the moment. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm a lot better today.
See? One phrase makes your sentence smooth.
Phrases also show your feeling. I'm happy to help. I'm not sure. I'm worried about it.
These phrases are easy and useful.
Exercise 1. Friends. Simple and real. Hey, Bunie, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
I need help with my phone.
Sure, I'm happy to help.
Thank you.
No problem.
Exercise 2. Shopping. Short and natural. Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $10.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure.
Take your time.
Give me a second.
Sure.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Exercise 1. Repeat after me. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Step 2. Use starter phrases to begin speaking. Short explanation, many examples, and role play. Step 2. Use starter phrases. Starter phrases begin your sentence.
They give you time and confidence.
They also make you sound polite. Easy starter phrases. I think. I feel. I want. I need. I like.
These are simple A1, A2 patterns.
Examples. I think it's good. I feel tired today. I want a coffee. I need some help. I like this song.
You can say them anywhere.
More starter phrases for real life. To be honest, in my opinion, for me, I guess.
These are common in daily talk.
Simple examples. To be honest, I'm nervous. In my opinion, it's too expensive. For me, it's okay. I guess we can go now.
They sound natural and friendly.
Use starter phrases in a café. I'd like a latte, please. Can I get a small coffee? Could you add sugar?
These are phrases, not single words.
Use starter phrases in class. I have a question. I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
These help you study in English.
Use starter phrases at work. Just a quick question. Can we talk for a minute? I'm working on it.
Great for office English.
Role play 1. Café. Hi. What would you like?
I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. Anything else?
I want a small cake, too.
No problem.
To be honest, I'm very hungry.
I understand. 1 latte and 1 cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Role play 2. Classroom.
Kay, I have a question.
Sure, what is it?
I don't understand this phrase.
Which one?
At the moment.
It means right now.
Oh, I see. Can you repeat that?
Yes. At the moment means right now.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
Repeat after me. 1 time. Repeat after me. I have a question.
I have a question.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Step 3. Learn phrases in chunks and use them in real situations. Short explanation, many examples, and role play.
Step 3. Learn in chunks. A chunk is a phrase you use again and again.
Don't learn one word only. Learn the whole chunk.
Example, not help. Learn, can you help me? Learn, I need help. Learn, thanks for your help.
One word becomes many real sentences.
Example, not only busy. Learn, I'm busy right now. Learn, I'm busy today. Learn, I'm not that busy.
This is faster for speaking.
Let's build chunks for daily life. Chunk group, asking, can you? Could you? Do you have? Is there?
These open many conversations.
Examples with can you? Can you open the door? Can you speak slowly? Can you show me?
Great for travel and shops.
Examples with could you? Could you help me? Could you repeat that? Could you take a photo?
Could you sounds polite.
Examples with do you have? Do you have water? Do you have a pen? Do you have this in size M?
Very useful in shopping.
Examples with is there? Is there a restroom here? Is there a bank near here? Is there Wi-Fi?
Perfect for travel.
Chunk group, answering. Sure, of course. I'm sorry I can't. Not right now.
These keep the conversation moving.
Chunk group, time. Right now, in a minute, after work, this weekend.
Time phrases make your story clear.
Put them together. I can't right now. Sure, in a minute. Of course, after work.
Simple and natural.
Role play 1. Travel, hotel. Hi, is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, of course.
Great. Do you have the password?
Yes, it's on this paper.
Thank you. Also, is there a restroom here?
Yes, it's near the elevator.
Okay, one more thing. Could you speak slowly?
Sure, the restroom is near the elevator.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Role play 2. Friends on the phone. Hey, Bunie, are you free?
Not right now. I'm busy today.
Oh, okay. Can we talk in a minute?
Sure, in a minute.
Thanks. I need help with my homework.
Of course, I can help after work too.
Great. Talk soon.
Talk soon.
Repeat after me. 1 time. Repeat after me. Could you speak slowly?
Could you speak slowly?
Is there Wi-Fi?
Is there Wi-Fi?
Step 4. Make phrases flexible. Change one word and keep the pattern. Short explanation, plus many examples, plus role play. Step 4. Make phrases flexible. Keep the pattern, change one part.
This is how you create many sentences.
Pattern 1. I'm plus feeling. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm sick. I'm nervous.
Same pattern, different feeling.
Add a phrase for time. I'm tired today. I'm nervous right now. I'm happy at the moment.
Very easy upgrades.
Pattern 2. I'm looking for plus thing. I'm looking for a shirt. I'm looking for a taxi. I'm looking for my keys.
Great for shopping and daily life.
Pattern 3. Can I plus action. Can I sit here? Can I pay by card? Can I try this on?
Useful and polite.
Pattern 4. Do you mind plus ing. Do you mind helping me? Do you mind waiting? Do you mind speaking slowly?
This is polite, too.
Pattern 5. That sounds plus adjective. That sounds good. That sounds fun. That sounds great.
Great for friendly talk.
Let's use flexible phrases in real situations. You can change one word and stay correct. Many quick examples. Fast rhythm. I'm looking for a bookstore.
I'm looking for a café.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay in cash?
Do you mind waiting a minute?
Do you mind helping me?
That sounds good.
That sounds fun.
Role play 1. Shopping. Excuse me, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What color do you want?
I want a black jacket.
Okay. This one is black.
Thanks. Can I try this on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is there.
Great. Also, can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Perfect. That sounds good. Role play 2. Friends making plans.
Hey, Kay, do you want to go out?
Yes, that sounds fun.
I'm hungry.
Me too. I'm looking for a good restaurant.
I know one. It's near my house.
Great. Can I meet you at 7?
Yes. Do you mind waiting for me?
No problem. I can wait.
Thanks. See you then.
See you then. Repeat after me. One time. Repeat after me. I'm looking for a jacket.
I'm looking for a jacket.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Step 5. Use phrases to keep the conversation going. Follow-ups, polite fixes, and endings. Short explanation, many examples, and role play. Step 5. Use phrases to continue. Don't stop after one sentence.
Use follow-up phrases. Use repair phrases. Use closing phrases.
Follow-up phrases. Really? How come? What do you mean? Tell me more.
These keep the talk alive.
Simple examples. I got a new job.
Really? Tell me more.
I'm tired.
How come?
It was a long day.
Oh, I see.
Repair phrases. When you don't understand. Sorry? Pardon? I don't get it. What does that mean?
These help you learn in real time.
Polite change phrases. Actually, I mean, let me say that again.
These save you when you make a mistake.
Closing phrases. End politely. I have to go. Talk to you later. See you soon. Have a nice day.
You sound friendly and natural.
Let's practice conversation flow with phrases. Hi, Bunny. Do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I'm working on the report.
Okay.
I'm not sure about this part.
What do you mean?
This number looks wrong.
Really? Let me check.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Actually, you are right.
Great. Can you show me the correct number?
Sure, here it is.
Perfect. I have to go now.
Okay, talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
Kay, I watched a great movie.
Really? Tell me more.
It was funny and sweet.
That sounds great. What is the name?
Sorry, I forgot the name.
No worries. What do you mean by sweet?
I mean, it was kind and warm.
Oh, I see. I like that.
Do you want to watch it this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great, let's do it.
Awesome. I have to go now.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. See you soon.
See you soon.
Repeat after me. One time. Repeat after me. Tell me more.
Tell me more.
I have to go.
I have to go.
Let's recap the 5 steps. Step 1. Phrases are groups of words you use as one unit.
Step 2. Use starter phrases to begin speaking.
Step 3. Learn phrases as chunks for real situations.
Step 4. Make phrases flexible. Change one word and keep the pattern.
Step 5. Use phrases to keep the conversation going and end politely.
Now, your turn. Write one sentence using a phrase.
Example. I'm not sure right now. Comment your sentence below. Thanks for learning with us today.
Please like and subscribe to Mr. Kay English Channel.
See you next time.
Bye.